If you're trying to download anything from the Google Play Store and then it appears that the download just is stuck, now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now first, make sure to cancel your download. Now after cancel your download, if you're on Android, just select here settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Now search for Play Store. Open the Play Store. Scroll down, tap on storage, and make sure to clear the app cache. After clearing the app cache, also select clear data. Now they say all of these applications data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and database. Just click delete. After deleting the cache and the data for the Google Play Store, also when you open your Play Store, you can tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then select on the My Apps and Games. Select Updating Apps. Now ensure that you download and install all these pending updates. Having these pending updates sometimes can cause your downloads to feel stuck. So ensure that you download and install all these pending updates. After you've installed them, then you'll find that the issue can be resolved and you can download without any issues.